the Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. This samadhi of self-arising wisdom is a spontaneously formed self-luminescence that is not disturbed. It cuts through all seeking and disturbance. The transmission of the self-luminescence of the heart essence of wisdom is a mandala that has no border or center. Within it is the inconceivable self-luminescence of the three embodiments. It has no limits and is likened to its own heart essence. The circle is luminous in being perfect in itself. It occurs by itself, is self-arising, and is perfect in itself. This is likened to the light of the sun in its heart. Samsara is perfect wisdom. Immeasurable fruitions ripen in it, as if it were the sky. Through offering our self-occurring belongings, they melt into the dimension of spontaneous self-luminescence. This spontaneous offering has no contingencies. Through it we enjoy the self-luminescence of omniscience. This is the significance of making real what is hidden. The way to learn it is to recognize it gradually. We understand our own minds to be jewels through the empowerment of the vase of royal investiture. This is why the use of a view to make our determination has been described. We must immerse ourselves in this without vacillating. This is why the Upadesha that have no connection to the meanings of symbols have been described. Whatever we practice turns to emptiness. Nothing binds us, so the Upadesha on elephants entering the water have been described. The general significance of the words is coalesced into 9 spaces. They are used to explain the words that are published in all the tantras. Open things up with the key of the 9 spaces. Explain them to yourself. Comment on them yourself. Turn the wheel of wordless awareness for people of the great vehicle that are not searching for it. So he spoke. From the Great Tantra that is equal to the end of the sky, this is the 3rd chapter, opening the 9 spaces with the key of explanation.